Hey guys, it's Sonia. In today's video, we're going to make your multi-chrome flaky fantasies come true with the Fantasy collection. I swatched all these polishes over black, so here I'm starting with one coat of our one coat black called LBD, and trust me, when you're doing 6 polishes back to back that require you to start with a black base, you really appreciate that one coat coverage. First up from our Flakies is Fiery, and this one primarily shifts between shades of pink, red, orange, there's gold in there, there's also purple at some angles. These all kind of obviously shift between a bunch of different colors, so I'm just going to name off the primary colors. But obviously you can see better than any description I can give you what colors these are giving off. Next up is Fanciful, and this one shifts between shades of purple, blue, teal, and pink. Moving on to Chimera, which shifts between shades of green, teal, purple, and blue. This one reminds me of a peacock. It's just so beautiful. The colors are gorgeous over any base, but obviously I love it over black. And I'm gonna be real with you guys, I was calling this one Chimera for a while. Be honest, let me know in the comments. I am not the only one who thought it was pronounced that way. Next up is Vision, which has a mix of blue, teal, and purple shifts. Moving on to Phantasma, which shifts between shades of pink, orange, gold, and green. Before I forget, all of the final finger wiggles are shown with one coat of top coat, and going into this I kind of expected two because sometimes flakies can stick up a little bit on your nail, but these actually lay surprisingly flat, so I was very pleasantly surprised by that. Last but not least is Amulet, and this one shifts between shades of pink, purple, blue, orange, gold, and green. Today's swatch video is winding down, but honestly the possibilities for these are endless. If you're thinking to yourself, wow, these would probably look amazing matte, you are absolutely right, and here's a couple of clips of how they look matte. There's also photos on our website. Our photographer did an amazing job and captured every single one with matte top coat. Or maybe you're thinking to yourself, wow, these would look really cool layered over hollow. In which case, you are right again, my friend. Here they are layered over Sparkle on the Rocks, which is our silver hollow glitter. These are pretty much guaranteed to look amazing over anything. They're basically magic in a bottle, so whatever you choose to layer them over, whether it's a cream, a hollow, or anything in between, is totally up to you guys. And if you do, make sure to tag us in your nail photos because we love to see them. Of course, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you soon.